Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, children, yesterday I have sent some homework. Did you try? Yesterday night only I sent it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Afreen, how are you, Afreen? How are you? Afreen, how are you? Huh? We can't hear you. Sneha,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm good.
Fine. Then why you didn't attend my classes? Eh?
Ma'am, I was having a few neck issues for the past 2 weeks.
Isn't it? 2 weeks continuously net issue. Where's your place? Where is it?
Ma'am, Mala.
Mala. The school also in Mala. Huh? Continuous 2 weeks net issue. Let me check your attendance. It is there. Oh, 2 weeks here. All the period also. Physics, chemistry, social, isn't it? You have net issue for all the period. Hmm? Are you using Wi-Fi or mobile data?
Wife.
Wi-Fi. That's a big problem. Wi-Fi of BSNL, isn't it? Or Asianet? Which Wi-Fi you're using? Hmm? Then now it's okay. Sneha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you do one thing, Sneha. Your parents are with you? Are you staying with your parents?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Today, evening 8 o'clock. Please do call me. Please ask your mother to call me. Okay, Sneha?
Okay, ma'am.
Or don't make me to call you, okay? You have to call me. Clear? Sneha, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Afreen, can you hear me, Afreen? Afreen, can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Afreen, what is the root of 361? Root of 361. Afreen. Root of 361. Nasrin.
Can I?
Nasrin. Nasrin. Root of 361. Who said that? Can I? Is it Misyat?
Ma'am.
Yes, yes, Nasrin. Can you hear
Ma'am.
me?
Yes, ma'am. Can you repeat the question?
Root of 361. Root of 361.
19.
19. Okay, Agash.
Yes, ma'am.
289.
Root of
289. Root of 289.
17.
17. Okay, Mizyad. 324. Mizyad.
This one?
324. 324. Root of 324.
18.
Children, all of you switch on your video. Otherwise, I won't give attendance.
Ma'am, 18.
18. Now, okay. Some new faces are there today. Niva, how are you? Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any network issue?
No, ma'am.
No, then why you are absent in my classes? You are busy with some other things, isn't it? You are busy with some other programs. Isn't it, Niva? Okay, good.
No, ma'am.
No? But we can see. We can see. In your Instagrams, we can see you are busy with something else. Children, we are checking for all your groups, okay? So we can see you are busy with which of the areas you are busy with. We can see that. Actually, we teachers are not so high tech as you, but kuch aata hai. Okay, Niva? We are also progressing. Now I am joined Facebook, Instagram, then something else. One more thing is there. I join only for you people to find out. Okay, don't waste my time. Okay, now we have some more problems finding square root of 5-digit numbers. Okay, right. First question, find the square root of find the square root of 54,756. 54,756. Okay, children, start doing. $54,756. Start. $54,756. I will give time to do it.
What 54,000?
54,756. 54,756.
$54,756.
56, yes. 54,756. 54,756. First number will be, first quotient and divisor is 2. Okay. 2. Okay, correct. Find out dash. What can we write nearby 4? To getting that number, I told you, there is a way. You try to divide 147 by 4. Then what will come? The value, first value will be when we divide 147 by 4. 3, 9. 3, 3. So we can write 3 here. 129. Then subtracting we will get 1856. Now what next? What is the next step? Double the quotient. So it will be double the quotient. So what is the double of quotient here? Double of
Four.
quotient. Huh?
4.
4. What is the quotient? What was the quotient now? Quotient is? What was the quotient now? After writing, after taking 56. So 1856. Now what was the quotient now? At present, what was the quotient? It is 23. Yes, 23. So what is the double of 23? Double of 23 is? Double of 46. 46. Then put a dash. 46, then dash. After the second step, we got 23 as our quotient. So double the quotient means double of 23, that is 46. Now try to fill up that dash by writing a number and multiply by the same number. And it will be, unit place we need 6. So which number it can be? Either there are two options. Which are they? What number we can
Four.
fill?
4.
4 or 6. You can try with 4 or 6. Try 464 into 4 and 466 into 6. Try which is coming 1856.
Ma'am, 4, 6.
4. 4 it is? Huh?
Yes, ma'am, 4.
Okay. So root of 54,756 is 234. Same way as we did for the 4-digit numbers. One more step will be there. Okay. So after the second step, double the quotient. Here, after the second step, we got 23 as our quotient. So it's double 46. Then bar dash. Okay. One more question. 5-digit number, second one. Second one. 39,000. Not 39,000. 3 lakh 90,000 and 625. 3 lakh 90,000 and 625. Okay, try with this number. Find the square root of 3 lakh 90,000 and 625. 1, 2, 3. 3 bars. First bar is 39. So we can write 36 less than 39, isn't it? So first quotient is
6.
6. Okay. First quotient is 6. 6 6 are 36. 3. 3 not 6. Double. So 12 dash. 3 not 6. What will be the number by which we can 2? That is 122 into 2. Huh? 2. Did you try with 3? You will try 9, 6. Okay, it is going more than 306. So 2. So it is 244. Subtract. Subtracting, you will get 2, 6. Now 25. Double the quotient. So it will be how much? Double of quotient. 124. 62 plus 124. 124. Okay. Then fill up the dash. We need 5 in the unit place. So by which number we have to multiply 124? Write a number on that 5. That is 1245 into 5. How much it is? 6. Correct. Okay. So 5 here. Remainder is 0. Therefore, root of 3,90,625 is 625. 625. Is it clear, all of you, how to find the values of square root more than 4 digits? Clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will send some homework questions for your practice. Okay, right, next question. Find the least number that must be subtracted. Next question. Find the least number. Find the least number that must be subtracted. Find the least number that must be subtracted from 5,600 from 5,607 so as to get a perfect square number. So as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the perfect square number. Also find the square root of
Ma'am, after 7, is it SO?
so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the perfect square. Square root of the perfect square. Find the least number that must be subtracted from 5,607 so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the new number that we found. Okay. So first you have to start long division method of finding square root. Start. To get that number, that what must be subtracted, you begin with long division method of finding square root. Start, all of you. First quotient will be 7. Subtracting, you will get 7, 707, 14, it should be that number. You can't multiply the correct 707, you won't get. Find the number just below 707. Four. Okay, let us 144 into 4, 6, 7, 576. Did you try with the 5? Okay, it is more than 707. So we will put 4. You have to try with the next number also. Okay, so it is 576, 576. What is the remainder then? Remainder is? Hmm?
131.
131. See, if the remainder is 0, we can say that number is a perfect square. Hmm? If the remainder is 0, see the previous questions. After long division method, the remainder we are getting as 0. If the remainder is 0, we can say the given number is a perfect square number. Here, the remainder is not 0. 131 is the remainder. So if we subtract this 131 from the number 5607, the new number will be a perfect square. Okay, the remainder is 0. We are getting a perfect square number. So remainder is 0 means we have to subtract 131 from 5607 to get a perfect square number. So write subtract the remainder 131. Remainder 131 to get a perfect square number. To get a perfect square number. So 1607 minus 131 equal to what? Find out.
Ma'am, 5476.
5476, and its root will be 5476. Its root will be our 74. Yes.
76.
Yes. Its root will be our quotient, that is 74. Root of 5476 is a square number and its root will be 74. Okay. One more question. Question same. By which number we need to subtract to get a perfect square number and also find the root of that square number. The number is 402. 402. Without doing all the steps, without doing that, you can say by which number you have to subtract. What you should subtract to get it? What was it? Without doing all the calculations, Amrita. Without doing calculations, can you say by which number we need to subtract to get a square number?
20.
402 it is.
400.
No, my question is which number you have to subtract to get a square number?
Ma'am,
2. Yes, 2. Because 400 is a square number and its root is 20. Okay, but we will do by our method, we will do. Okay. 402. Start division method. It is a square number. 4 is a square number. So we will write 2, 2, 4, 0. See the quotient. Sorry, 0, 2. 0, 2. So remainder is 2. So subtract 2 from 402. It's a square, simple question it is. 400 is a square number. Root of 400 equal to 20. Third one. Try this. 1989. 1989. Surja, are you there? Surja? Hello. Surja, are you there?
No, ma'am. Surya is not there. Surya is not there.
Not there. She didn't send the names. Those who are not submitted that activity.
I think she didn't attend class because she told that she's going to her home. I mean, from somebody else's house to her home.
Okay. Nagul, try. First question will be 4. Then what is that gap? Afridi, what did you get to fill the gap?
Ma'am, 4.
4. 84 into 4 is, Afridi?
336.
336. 336. Subtracting what you are getting, Afridi?
Ma'am, 53.
53. So you have to subtract what from 1989?
1989 minus 53
Equal to
equals to 1936.
1900.
33. 30.
Huh?
1936.
1936. Therefore, it is a square number.
Of 44.
Which is a square number, and root of
44.
1936 is 44. Children, is it clear, all of you? Can you do some questions of the time? If I gave some homeworks. What is it? Oh,
Yes,
5 more.
ma'am.
Okay, I will give homework. Do this. Questions are, okay, store in your book. Questions are 3250 homework questions. Same time. Okay, you have to find the number that must be subtracted to get a square number. Also find the square root of the new number. The numbers are 3250. Second question, 825. Third question, 4000. Shreya, without doing calculations, you can say the answer for second one. What was the number that we have to subtract? 825. No, it's not. No, okay, that you have to do. You didn't study that number. Okay, you can do it as homework. When is my next period?
Ma'am, 455.
Okay, 4:55. 2 more period we need to complete this.
Ma'am, attendance.
Attendance, okay.
I have another doubt, ma'am.
Hashir present? Hashir,
Yes, ma'am.
wait, let me check. Hashir. Yes. Okay, children. Shall we wind up the class? Okay, Nihan, I saw you. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye. We will
Bye,
meet
ma'am.
later.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.